Hi friends, today let us discuss some basic terminologies of automata theory. Alphabet represented by summation. Alphabet is a finite non-empty set of symbols or characters represented by summation. For example, this alphabet is finite consisting of two alphabets 0 and 1. So, this alphabet is a binary alphabet. This alphabet consists of two characters A and B. This alphabet consists of set of all lowercase English alphabets. This alphabet consists of all different types of opening and closing parentheses. The last alphabet consists of some of the special characters like hash, dollar, star, at, ampersand, etc. String. A string is a finite sequence, possibly empty, of symbols drawn from some alphabet summation. For example, if we consider alphabet 0, 1 of binary alphabets, the possible strings of this alphabet are, so possibly empty. So, possibly empty is represented by first string as epsilon, second string consisting of a single 0 or a single 1 or two zeros 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 so on up to 1 1 1, then 4 zeros and so on. So, the shortest string is the empty string represented by epsilon, and summation star is a clean star operator which represents the set of all possible strings over an alphabet summation. So, let us see some of the functions on strings. So, the first function on string is length, which represents the length of the string, yes, that is the number of characters present in that particular string. For example, epsilon represents empty string, so the length of the string is equals to 0. So, consider the next example. In this string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. So, the total length of this string is equals to 7. Next comes the occurrence of C in S, represented by hash C of S, which defines the number of times C occurs in S. For example, number of times A occurs in this particular string is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. So, after seeing the length and occurrence, let us see one more function on strings, that is concatenation. So, what is concatenation? Concatenation of two strings S and T is the string formed by appending T to S, represented as S appending T, or just normally we can write S T. Let us take one example. If X is equals to good and Y is equals to buy, then X Y is equals to good buy, and if we concatenate YX, then the string will be buy good. Note that the length of this XY will be equivalent to the length of X plus length of y, that is 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. Remember, epsilon is the identity for concatenation of strings. That is, for all x, if x is concatenated with epsilon is equivalent to epsilon concatenated with x is equals to x, and concatenation is associative. That is, for all STW, STW is equals to S of TW. So, the next function on strings is replication. For every string W and each natural number k, the string W raised to k is W raised to 0, that is k is equals to 0, string length is 0. This is possible when the string is equals to epsilon. Next, W raised to k plus 1 is equals to W raised to k plus concatenated with W. For example, a raised to 3, that is a is replicated 3 times. So, the possible string is a. By is repeated 2 times. So, the possible string obtained is bye. In this string, a is replicated 0 times, b is replicated 3 times. Hence, the string obtained is b. And in the last string, b is replicated 2 times, y is replicated 2 times, and e is replicated 2 times. Hence, the string obtained is bb, yy, ee. Next is reversing a string. For each string W, the reverse of W, that is W raised to R, is defined as if the length of W is equals to 0, then W is equals to W raised to R, that is nothing but epsilon. If W is equals to 1, then W raised to R is equals to W, because the length of the string is 1. For example, if W is equals to A, then W raised to R is also equivalent to A. But if length of W is greater than 1, then for some A belongs to summation, for some U belongs to summation star, then the string W is equals to UA. And W raised to R is defined as A U raised to R. For example, W is equals to A1, A2, A3, so on up to AN, then W raised to R is AN, so on up to A2, A1. If W is equals to 1, 0, 1, 0, then W raised to R is 0, 1, 0, 1. So, let us see a theorem on concatenation and reverse of two strings. If W and X are strings, then W concatenated with X whole raised to R is equals to, reverse of it will be X raised to R W raised to R. For example, if W is name and X is tag, then name tag whole raised to R is equals to tag raised to R name raised to R. So, reverse of tag is GAT and reverse of name is EMAN. The string obtained after concatenation and reversal is GAT man. And this theorem is